Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. Today we have here my son, Norman, and we are gonna do a special series in my channel is where we are gonna unbox things that I'm gonna use in my channel. Because I'm a mom and I don't know how to use all of this stuff, if you also are new in these gadgets and wanna learn with me, this is the series you don't wanna miss. So today we are gonna unbox the DJI AIR 2S. I don't know what is that, but it's supposed to be a drone. It's not supposed to. It is a drone that I'm gonna learn how to use, and today we are gonna unbox it. So, are you ready? A little bit of ASMR. Do you do that? Do you do that in the unbox? Okay. How do we unbox it? You help me.
We get a knife.
Okay, so we don't have a knife. I'm a chef and I don't have knives for unboxing. Can you believe that?
We actually need a knife. We don't want to use a stick.
What?
There we go. I already got it with the stick.
Okay, we got it with a stick. We're taking out all that clear thing on top, and he knows way more than me about drones, about all that electronic things. So he's gonna help me to learn how to fly it, but it's me the one that is gonna use it.
There you go.
So comes with this clear thing. Wait, we have to take the clear things first, so to make it satisfied for everyone.
That's what I'm doing. That's why I did it from the back.
Okay, super satisfied.
Right.
Yeah. Taking the clear thing out. Perfect. Oops, yeah. And now, the unboxing moment of the reveal of the DJI AIR 2.
Not mistake.
Wait.
There you go.
Okay, now it
Try
is.
it again.
Okay, now, the DJI AIR 2 comes here. Slowly. Whoa, let's see what it is inside. Ta-da! So we have here a quick start guide that comes with a barcode, and I guess that this is for downloading the DJI AIR 2 app, I guess. And I'm gonna do it later, but it comes with it. And in this little box, can you help us with this little box? This little box has this, I don't know, let's find out. Comes with, yeah, good.
More instructions.
More instructions, and, extra
Wings.
Extra wings, extra propels. Extra propellers. Comes with extra propellers.
Yep.
That I'm sure I'm gonna use, because this is the Fly More combo. So it comes with extra things. Genius.
Those are cameras.
Those are filters. It comes with filters for the camera.
Oh, it's a zoom in lens.
Zoom in filters lens. Yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna do the yes mark.
Your charger.
Yeah, and comes with a charger. Yeah, more chargers.
Because we need them.
Because we need them. And this is how we need more chargers. And because because I'm a mom and I'm unboxing here, this is gonna be different than your regular unboxing video. This is different, guys. This is just Cooking with Hilda unboxing videos.
We're gonna get 0 views, mama.
Guys, please hit the like button. My son said I'm gonna have 0 views in this. And now, the big box unboxing. This is a nice box that comes with a shoulder thing. A shoulder what, remember?
Shoulder strap.
A shoulder strap that you put it on your shoulder. So guys, this drone, we're gonna use it in our next trip, but we're gonna do beautiful shots in a beautiful place, and you don't wanna miss that video. So let's open this. You open it, Kat? I have no idea.
I think it's here.
I learn fast. You just have to show me once, and then I do it myself, everything.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's a cool drone.
There you go.
And because it's my first one, I look at extra cool because I have no idea how to, yeah. Oh, this is the drone. This is the drone. This is the drone. If you see it there. And this little thing is gonna give me the most beautiful shots and videos. What is that, Norman?
It is a controller without sticks.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, I think like, how do you?
Those are the thingies.
Cool. This is for the phone. Or oh, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna enjoy this DJI control. Super cool. Okay, and now we have, what else do we have in this bag?
Oh.
This bag is kind of nice.
Whoa. It's super heavy.
It's super heavy. I bet those are the batteries.
I think you're right. Here you go.
Oh, wow.
Here's another one.
Oh, we have two?
Here's another charger.
We have a lot of chargers.
Here's another charger.
Oh, wow. This is another charger. Yeah, we have a lot of chargers and extra stuff. This bag is actually, it's good, but because we're gonna travel to a place where there's gonna be water, and traveling sometimes can ruin the drones. I purchased also this thing. This is very heavy. The only thing is that it looks like I'm having like a very suspicious thing inside. I don't know. In the airport, maybe they're not gonna like it or something. It's very hard. It's a very quality than the other one. It's gonna protect better the drone to travel, and it's waterproof. So we're here with all this stuff, and we're gonna build it and charge the drone and try it. You have to definitely stay tuned and watch our next videos in our trip, where we're gonna do the most amazing videos and shots that you don't wanna miss. So today, this is all. We already unboxed it, and it's very cool, looks very cool. It looks very easy to use actually for a mom that has no idea how to do drones. So this is gonna be a very fun thing that I'm gonna enjoy a lot. So thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda, and today with my son. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time.